Picture yourself in the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.